My name is Kim Eastlick, and I am a service advisor here at Advantage Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Number one, you have factory trained technicians here, so not only just doing an oil change is simple, but we know what to look for and what signs when there may be something coming that could be potentially causing, issues or trauma down the road. The other thing is there's a myth that your Jiffy Stone Kingdoms are cheaper than your dealership, and that's not true. Where a synthetic oil change up there is almost 80 bucks, here it's between the 50s and 60s. So it's really not cheaper to go to them versus us, and we have factory parts. There's a flavored bubble gum ball machine on the parts counter. Typically there's some snacks sitting out there, chips or whatnot. We of course have vending machines with soda and chips and cookies and candy and whatnot. Coffee with flavored creamers. We have cable television, Wi-Fi service. We have shuttle pickup and drop off if necessary, when it makes sense. We also do offer a loaner vehicle, rental vehicle, whether we are renting it to you as the customer and you pay for it, or to Chrysler because it's a warrantable condition. Either way, we have our own fleet of 18 vehicles, so almost all the time we have something you can drive. We have a thrift store right next door to us, and sometimes people like to wander there. Downtown Mount Dora has a lot of quaint little shops and jewelry stores in a park and a lot of little lunch counter type of things. That's always cool to go to. We also have some of your big box stores up the street where we can just take you up there, and of course restaurants, one just down the hill where you could walk to, but our shuttle driver will take you just about anywhere local. Everybody that works down in my service department, as far as customer contact, we all have our own niche. A lot of people, when they come, it's not, oh gee, I have to go to the dealership because my check engine light's on. It's, oh yay, I get to go see Kim or whoever their advisor is, because we offer joy, we offer fun. It's you're not just here to do something boring like getting your car fixed. You're going to have interaction with a human being who actually cares about you, your vehicle, your family, and we get involved.